Huh? What's that?
That. What? Whoa. Whoa. A cool. A cool.
This cool?
A cool. A cool. A mini. A mini.
What you say?
What? What? Or surprise?
What you say?
What? 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 Exercise.
You can choose a KFC, chicken with tomato, like $5 too today. And your sides?
Fries.
Exercise.
Okay.
Exercise. Exercise.
Chicken.
Exercise. Exercise.
Alright, anything else for you?
On the first order for the #1 combo, instead of the mashed potatoes and gravy, can I get fries to go with that?
You can.
And then can I have the 4-piece combo?
Peace.
4-piece chicken combo?
The tenders.
Tenders?
Yes.
Attention. Attention.
What's the
Exercise.
drink with that one?
Dr. Pepper?
Exercise. Exercise.
Alright.
Exercise.
And what sauce for those?
Barbecue
Burgers.
and honey mustard.
Burgers. Burgers.
Alright. Anything else?
Burgers. Burgers.
Oh, Kids Meal Chicken Little.
Can I have a Kids Meal Chicken Little?
Water.
Yes, please.
And the drink fruit punch?
You got it.
Alright. What else for you today?
That'll be all.
35, 35.77.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
You finished ordering your food?
She already knew what we wanted. Fries and a drink.
You all good?
You trying to pretend to be the drive-through person?
That's the way she acting, like she ordering it like she at the window.
You need to move these phones and stuff.
Okay.
35.77.
It's so funny.
The faces she make though. She need to put her seatbelt back on the right way though.
We put it on.
When we come from over here.
Is that the number